Welcome to Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls. They sit on the border between the United States and Canada. The falls are located on the Niagara River. This river connects Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. For centuries, people have been amazed by the beauty and power of Niagara Falls. It's no wonder that it's one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Niagara Falls is easily accessible from both the US and Canadian sides. You can fly into nearby airports like Buffalo Niagara International Airport or Toronto Pearson International Airport. Driving is also a great option, with scenic routes to enjoy. Once you arrive, you'll find plenty of transportation options, including buses, taxis, and walking paths. The area surrounding Niagara Falls is full of hotels, restaurants, and shops. You'll find something for every budget and taste. Whether you're looking for a luxurious getaway or a budget-friendly trip, Niagara Falls has something for you. Get ready to be impressed by the natural wonder of Niagara Falls. Millions visit every year. Niagara Falls is one of the most recognizable natural landmarks in the world. Millions of people visit each year. The falls are famous for their breathtaking beauty and sheer power. The water cascading over the cliffs is a truly awe-inspiring sight. Why are the falls so famous? One reason is their sheer size. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls. The largest is Horseshoe Falls. It's over 160 feet tall and 2,600 feet wide. The other 2 falls, American Falls and Bridal Falls, are equally impressive. The falls have been featured in countless movies, TV shows, and books. This exposure has only added to their global fame. From honeymooners to families to adventurers, Niagara Falls attracts people from all walks of life. The history of Niagara Falls is also fascinating. For thousands of years, the falls have played an important role in the lives of Indigenous peoples. Today, Niagara Falls is a symbol of natural beauty and international cooperation. So much to see. Niagara Falls is actually made up of 3 waterfalls. Each one is unique and worth seeing. The largest and most famous is Horseshoe Falls. It's shaped like a horseshoe and is located on the Canadian side. The American Falls are located on the US side. They are wider than Horseshoe Falls, but not as tall. Bridal Falls, the smallest of the 3, is also located on the US side. It's known for its delicate and graceful appearance. You can see the falls from both the US and Canadian sides. Each side offers different perspectives and viewpoints. You can take a boat tour to get up close to the falls, or you can walk along the Niagara Parkway for stunning views. Don't miss the opportunity to see the falls illuminated at night. The colorful lights create a magical and unforgettable experience. With so much to see and do, you'll want to spend at least a few days exploring Niagara Falls. Section 4. Fun for everyone. Boat tours and hiking trails. Niagara Falls offers a wide range of activities for visitors of all ages. One of the most popular is the Maid of the Mist boat tour. This iconic tour takes you right up to the base of the falls. For a bird's-eye view, visit the Skyline Tower. This observation tower offers panoramic views of the falls and the surrounding area. You can also take a walk on the wild side at the Niagara Whirlpool. This natural wonder is located just a short distance downstream from the falls. Hiking trails and parks are plentiful in the Niagara Falls region. Take a stroll through Queen Victoria Park on the Canadian side, or explore Niagara Falls State Park on the US side. Both parks offer stunning views of the falls and the Niagara Gorge. Looking for something a little different? Check out the Niagara Falls Butterfly Conservatory, or take a ride on the Niagara Scenic Trolley. With so much to see and do, you'll never be bored at Niagara Falls. Section 5. How much does it cost? Planning your trip. The cost of a trip to Niagara Falls can vary depending on your budget and preferences. Admission to see the falls is free. However, there are fees for attractions and activities. The Maid of the Mist boat tour costs around $20 per person. Admission to the Skyline Tower is around $15. Parking can range from $5 to $20 per day. Many hotels offer packages that include accommodation, attractions, and meals. These packages can be a great way to save money. You can also find discounts on attractions and activities by purchasing tickets online or through your hotel. Food and drink prices are comparable to other major tourist destinations. Expect to pay around $15 to $25 per person for a casual meal. With a little planning, you can enjoy an unforgettable trip to Niagara Falls without breaking the bank. Section 6. Top tips for your visit. Have a great time. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your visit to Niagara Falls. The best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons, spring or fall. The weather is still pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Be sure to pack comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Bring a raincoat or umbrella as the weather can be unpredictable. If you're visiting during the summer, bring sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Take advantage of the many transportation options available. Consider purchasing a WEGO pass. This pass provides unlimited access to the local bus system. It's a convenient and affordable way to get around. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture the beauty of Niagara Falls from every angle. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the experience. Niagara Falls is a truly special place that will leave a lasting impression. Section 7. Plan your Niagara Falls adventure. Niagara Falls is a truly spectacular destination that offers something for everyone. From the awe-inspiring power of the falls to the charming towns and attractions nearby, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. Whether you're seeking adventure, romance, or family fun, Niagara Falls has it all. Plan your trip today and discover the magic of this natural wonder for yourself.